Good day, and thank you for tuning in to JP Weaver's Guide to Installing Plaster Crown. In this second installment, we will go over the dry fitting and installation process. So sit back, grab an ice-cold refreshment, and enjoy this step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Locate the center of each elevation and the element of the crown you would like to center on the wall. Step 2. Pre-cut crown using a miter box. Please note, all crowns are shipped with a 1-inch flange that will need to be removed before installation and pattern repeat process. Starting with the most predominant wall, pre-cut moldings and set up on temporary ledger. Focal point of cornice should center on a wall or other design element, such as a fireplace. Temporarily secure moldings to the top of the ceiling. Moving out from the first piece, cut crown at the specific pattern to obtain a continuous repeat. Sometimes joints need to be fine-tuned. While supporting the molding, use a drywall saw and pass the blade through the joint, removing material as necessary to obtain a close fit. Step 3. Installation. After marking the location of all pieces, remove 3 dry fit pieces starting with the focal point piece and set it face down on a padded sawhorse. Using a chisel, score the back edge of the crown where it attaches to the wall and the ceiling. Then thoroughly dampen all edges and ends with a large sponge. These 2 steps enhance the bond of the adhesive. Lay a bed of USG soft sand at the top and bottom of crown, a minimum of a 2-inch bed. Pay attention to shims, which may require more mud. Place piece on temporary ledger. Countersink and secure with galvanized deck screws. For larger cornices such as this, screw approximately 24-inch intervals. Remove excess mud with taping knife and fill voids as necessary. Second piece, same as the first. In addition, place mud on adjoining ends of both pieces. Before placing the piece, back first piece with burlap soaked with mud, cantilevering so that it will join the two pieces together. This is messy, but will greatly reduce joints from separating in the future. Continue setting pieces same as second piece, paying attention to your reference marks. Some extra shimming may be necessary. Do not torque screws, just set them. After adhesive has cured, remove the shims and set the screws. Detail the joints and fill screw holes with the USG soft sand. Some crowns require additional plugins. Cut to fit and install with construction adhesive and a pin nail gun.